Useful phrases and sentences in English.
I want.
I want to go to the park.
I want to go to the park.
She wants a new bicycle.
She wants a new bicycle.
We want to visit the beach.
We want to visit the beach.
Do you want some ice cream?
Do you want some ice cream?
I want to learn how to play the guitar.
I want to learn how to play the guitar.
She wants to become a doctor.
She wants to become a doctor.
They want to travel the world.
They want to travel the world.
He wants a cup of coffee.
He wants a cup of coffee.
We want to read that book.
We want to read that book.
Do you want to come to the party?
Do you want to come to the party?
I want to improve my cooking skills.
I want to improve my cooking skills.
She wants to adopt a puppy.
She wants to adopt a puppy.
They want to start a business.
They want to start a business.
He wants to take a vacation.
He wants to take a vacation.
Do you want to learn a new language?
Do you want to learn a new language?
I want a bigger house.
I want a bigger house.
She wants to paint a picture.
She wants to paint a picture.
They want to buy a new car.
They want to buy a new car.
He wants to lose weight.
He wants to lose weight.
We want to plant a garden.
We want to plant a garden.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Do you want to go for a walk?
I want to save money for a trip.
I want to save money for a trip.
She wants to write a novel.
She wants to write a novel.
They want to volunteer at a shelter.
They want to volunteer at a shelter.
He wants to quit his job.
He wants to quit his job.
We want to organize a charity event.
We want to organize a charity event.
Do you want to go fishing?
Do you want to go fishing?
I want to start a fitness routine.
I want to start a fitness routine.
She wants to learn how to swim.
She wants to learn how to swim.
They want to redecorate their living room.
They want to redecorate their living room.
He wants to meet his favorite celebrity.
He wants to meet his favorite celebrity.
We want to hike up a mountain.
We want to hike up a mountain.
Do you want to attend the concert?
Do you want to attend the concert?
I want to buy a new laptop.
I want to buy a new laptop.
She wants to run a marathon.
She wants to run a marathon.
They want to remodel their kitchen.
They want to remodel their kitchen.
He wants to skydive.
He wants to skydive.
We want to learn how to cook.
We want to learn how to cook.
Do you want to join the art class?
Do you want to join the art class?
I want to donate to a charity.
I want to donate to a charity.
She wants to become a better photographer.
She wants to become a better photographer.
They want to go on a road trip.
They want to go on a road trip.
He wants to start meditating.
He wants to start meditating.
We want to adopt a healthier lifestyle.
We want to adopt a healthier lifestyle.
Do you want to try rock climbing?
Do you want to try rock climbing?
I want to become more organized.
I want to become more organized.
She wants to learn how to knit.
She wants to learn how to knit.